Hey, it's me! Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you go down, click that subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the little notification bell, and you'll be updated with all the awesome videos we post here on this channel. So in today's video, I am going to be going to do something which I have not had the balls to do since I moved here to Malaysia. I am going to be going out and I'm going to be buying a durian. If you don't know what a durian is, keep on watching because I'll explain it in the video. But yeah, so we're going to go out, I'm going to go buy a durian, I'm going to bring it home and I'm going to try it. I'm a little bit nervous about it, but we'll see how it goes. Let's hit it. Right, okay, so guys, we are here now. You can get it from the shops, but I thought it would be a little bit nicer to buy from a local because they probably need the money now a little bit more. The awkward part is I only have coins, so let's see how they accept this. One side I only have coins. Okay? Yeah? How much is that? There's 28. 28.
Small one, right?
Yeah.
This one. Okay, good one. Very good. This one, more King.
Yeah?
Yes, more King.
Sorry, you know me, I don't like to use plastic, so... It's really sharp, can you have it? Thank you.
Thank you.
So,
Can I follow you?
yeah, of course. New subscriber. Make sure you subscribe as well.
Thank you.
Right. Ow! Right, I've got a durian. We're gonna head home now. We're gonna try it. You can already smell it. It doesn't smell good. Right, guys. So we're gonna address the first thing. You're probably wondering why we are currently sat in the little back lane behind our house, and the reason for that is because durian absolutely stinks. Now durian is actually banned from being eaten in hotels, public transports, and that's down to the fact that it does not smell horrible.
It's not as bad as...
It's horrible, man. What are you on about? Absolutely vile.
It's not as bad as it is.
Right, so it's actually banned, like I said, in hotels and public transport. So it's banned from being in public places because the smell is so bad, and that's why we're not putting it in the house, because we don't want the house to stink. Now, the first thing I do want to say is, do you not think it looks a little bit like a dragon egg from Game of Thrones?
Yeah, or a hedgehog.
Yeah, it's quite spiky, isn't it? Like, that's why I've got this. It's quite spiky. Yeah, so as you saw earlier on, the guy kindly cut it for us a little bit. Now, another fact about this is apparently it's called the king of the fruits. I don't know why, but it's called the king of the fruits, and I think it's something to do with because it's so big, and apparently it's really, really nutritious for you as well. Apparently it's really good. It's got lots of health benefits as well. So yeah, so we're going to try a little bit of it now.
You meant to cut it.
I don't know.
Am I supposed to eat it? Oh, it's like a... Oh, it doesn't smell very nice actually. Just do, just in, go. I'm a celebrity.
I can't.
Smells. Try. Just put yes.
I can't, right?
Watching you eat it makes me not want to have any.
Just try it, it's really, really good.
Okay. Okay, I tried. I tried.
We've
Oh
still
my
got like
God.
loads left to eat. I don't know if I can eat any more of this.
Oh my god!
Right. So there we have it, YouTube.
I can't.
Durian isn't for me, I will say.
Do you know what it tastes like? It tastes like onions.
It does. It tastes. It smells like that as well. I can take. I can still like. I can smell it in my mouth. Do you know what I mean?
Oh, I'm
Say
so
right now.
sorry. I'm really
But
sorry.
I do want to say one thing as
I'm
well.
sorry, Malaysia. I know you love it.
Yeah, like we love everyone in Malaysia. We love Malaysia as a country. Durian, I don't like it. It's not very nice. Should we give it to the neighbours or something? I think they'll
Yeah.
appreciate it more.
Yeah. Maybe not the half-eaten bit.
Yeah, no, just
With
throw,
COVID and
just
stuff.
throw that around somewhere.
There's
Just-
more inside there, is there?
Yeah,
Oh,
just go. Anyway,
at least we tried.
yeah.
We really did try.
Anyway, guys, I know this was a short video, but we've got a few other videos coming up very, very soon. I'm going for my vaccine tomorrow, so I'm going to document that. I'm also going to let you know a little bit about the side effects if I get any. Getting AstraZeneca, so that's another video, so make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the notification button, and if you've enjoyed this, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, because that means that the video will go out to lots of other people, and I really appreciate that. And yeah, share it with your friends, share it with your family, and I'll see you next time.